Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how to turn TikTok sound into ringtones. Before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on our YouTube channel because we post content like this in our channel, so to get notified for this kind of video be sure to subscribe. So let's get started with today's video. So before starting this video I want to tell you guys you need to download the app from which you can convert the video into audio. So I'm using a video compressor, but you can just go to your Play Store and type video to audio converter and download whichever one you think is good. It's not compulsory you need to use this video compressor. But let's get with the video. Open TikTok. So let's suppose I want to use this audio as a ringtone for my phone. So let me just download this video. So once the video is downloaded you can go to video compressor, press on start, then click on the video to MP3 and click on the TikTok video you just downloaded. Mine's at the top, so I'm going to click on it and click on convert to MP3 and then click on convert and press on start, and after it's converted go to the place where the audio is stored. For me it's in recording, so let me go on my recording real quick. And so as you guys can see, this is the audio. So I want to set this as my ringtone, so let me just press on select and then click on it, and then on the bottom there is set as a ringtone. Press on it so I can set it as a call ringtone for SIM1, SIM2 or SMS ringtone, or as an alarm ringtone, whichever I want. So I'm going to set it as a call ringtone for SIM1, so whoever calls me, this is going to be played. So remember, for me I'm using an Oppo, so this is how I set a ringtone. But if you're using another phone like Samsung, iOS, then you can just go to the audio and then make it into a ringtone like how you normally make music into a ringtone. Because it's just audio, it's an MP3 file, so after you do this you can just convert it into a ringtone. So basically the steps are to download the TikTok video, convert it to MP3 and then set it as a ringtone, because you can only set MP3 as a ringtone, you cannot set a video as a ringtone. That's why you need to convert the video's audio into MP3. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.